going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have this 2013 Ford Mustang and we have a problem with the evaporation system. As you can see, this is the code I'm getting, P0442, and we have a evap small leak. Alright, to diagnose this problem we have to use this little machine right here. It's a smoke machine, and what this machine does is it puts smoke into the purge valve, which is located right there. I had to disconnect it, the connector from the intake, because that hose goes all the way to the canister. And when I put smoke in, before doing anything to that, we have to use this scanner tool to close the ventilation valve in the canister, because if we put smoke like that, you're gonna see the smoke coming out from the canister, and for that we have to close the valve with the scanner or plug it with something under. So for that I'm going to use this option, canister vent valve, and I'm gonna monitor my fuel tank pressure, which is right here. We select that and we should see the pressure building up in a little bit when I press on. So you can see this is the pressure. So when I press on, since I have the machine, it's gonna start building up pressure. We see pressure is rising up, and I already found the problem in this car. So on these cars, they don't have the typical screw-in cap. They don't have that cap anymore on these models. What they have is a seal inside. When you insert the filler for the gas, it pressures the tap and it allows the fuel to go in. But since it's been a lot of time, the year of the car is 2013, the rubber behind starts to wear out, and this is the problem we get. I don't know if you can hear, but that's the problem. You can see the smoke right there. The system is being pressurized right now, and we can see the smoke coming out of the pipe, the fuel filler neck. So that's the whole problem with this car. That's why the check engine light is on. And to fix that, we have to replace that whole fuel filler neck. And if you want to check, I'll leave the link in the description where you can get that neck for your car. This applies for 2012 all the way to 2019, I believe. These are the new models that are coming up, and this was one of the first ones. This is a 5.0, and that's the problem we have with this car. So once I fix the problem, I'll be back and show you the same procedure with the new if we fix it. If the customer decides to fix it, I will show you what was the real, but that's for sure the problem with this car. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video, the information, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.